Janakpur, the city where stories are born and legends live. From the sacred Janaki temple to the vibrant bazaars, it's a place where every beat of the drum, every footstep is charged with history and pride. It's more than a city, it's an anthem, a place where culture is not just preserved, it's lived, where tradition meets the energy of the new generation. And from the city of flavors and stories rises a new heartbeat. Every thread a story, every stitch a promise, inspired by our roots, built for our future. With every bolt and flash, we carry the spirit of Janakpur onto the field, the strength of our community, the pride of our culture, the pulse of our people. It's more than gear, it's our armor. It's the pride of the young dreamers, the roar of the crowd, the unity of a city ready to strike.